The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to Max class. Follow this saying: when you work, be serious, because without seriousness, no serious result will follow. So, dear children, be serious in your studies so as to get a good result. Okay. Now, let us move on to our class. Today, we will discuss some problems related to the chapter Identities. Let us do a problem. Mark 4 numbers forming a square in a calendar 4, 5, 11, 12. 4, 5, 11, 12. Add the squares of the diagonal pair and find the difference of these sums. 4 square plus 12 square is equal to 160. 11 square plus 5 square is equal to 146. 160 minus 146 is equal to 14. First sub question, do these 4 other 4 numbers. In a calendar, select any number you wish. Okay, here I am taking the number 7. Then write the next consecutive number, that is 8. Okay. In the second row, add 7 to all the numbers in the first row. Okay. So, 7 plus 7, 14. Next number is 15. Okay. To get the next row of numbers, repeat the same process. Next, square of the diagonal numbers and its sum. So, here diagonal number is 7 square plus 15 square. 7 square is 49 plus 15 square is 225. This is equal to 4, 7, 2. 274. Next diagonal numbers are 8 square plus 14 square. 8 square is 64 plus 14 square is 196. This is equal to 0, 6, 2. 260. Then their difference. Is equal to 274 minus 260. This is equal to 14. Is it clear, children? Second sub question. Explain using algebra why the difference is 14 always. For that, let x be the first number. next consecutive number is x plus 1. In the second row, add 7 to all the numbers in the first row. So, here x plus 7, the next number is x plus 8. Okay, here diagonal numbers are x and x plus 8. It's a square. First number is x, it's a square, x square plus next number is x plus 8, x plus 8 whole square. This is the form x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay, this is equal to x square plus, here using this identity, here x is x, that is x square plus 2 into x is x into, here y is a, so substitute here a, plus y square, here y is 8, so 8 square. Is it clear? This is equal to x square plus 2 into 8, 16, 16 into x, 16x plus 8 square, 64. Okay, this is equal to x square plus x square, 2x square plus 60x plus 64. Is it clear, children? Next, diagonal numbers are x plus 1 and x plus 7. It's square, that is x plus 1 whole square plus x plus 7 whole square. This is equal to, again using identity, here x is x, that is x square plus 2 into x into, here y is 1 plus y square, y is 1, so 1 square plus x plus 7 whole square, again using this identity, here x is x square plus 2 into x into, here y is 7 plus 7 square. Okay, this is equal to x square plus 2 into 1, 2 into x, 2x plus 1 square, 1 square is 1 plus x square plus 2 into 7, 14, 14 into x, 14x plus 7 square is 49. Clear? This is equal to, here add like terms, x square plus x square. X square plus x square is 2x square plus 2x plus 14x. 2x plus 14x is 16x plus 1 plus 49 is 15. Okay. Then their difference. Difference is equal to 2x square plus 16x plus 64 minus 2x square plus 16x plus 15. Okay, this is equal to 2x square plus 16x plus 64, open the bracket, minus into plus minus 2x square minus into plus minus 16x minus into plus minus 50. Clear? This is equal to 2x square minus 2x square. these two terms sum is 0 plus 16x minus 16x. Again these two sum is 0 plus 64 minus 50, that is 14. Here the difference is always 14. Is it clear, children? Let us do a problem. Take 9 numbers forming a square in a calendar and mark the 4 numbers at the corners. Here numbers are 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 17, 18, 19. Multiply the diagonal pairs and find the difference of these products. 3 into 19 is equal to 57. 17 into 5 is equal to 85. 85 minus 57 is equal to 28. First sub question, do this for other such squares. In a calendar, select any number you wish. Okay, here I am taking the number 2. Then write the next 2 consecutive numbers, that is 3, 4. In the second row, add 7 to all the numbers in the first row. Okay, that is 2 plus 7, 9. Next number is 10. Next number is 11. In the third row, add 7 all the numbers in the second row. 9 plus 7, 16, 17, 18. Okay. Then diagonal numbers product. Here diagonal numbers are 2 and 18. Its product, that is 2 into 18 is equal to 6. 1 into 2, 36. Okay. Next diagonal numbers are 4 and 16. 4 into 16 is equal to 64. Its difference is equal to 64 minus 36. This is equal to 5 minus 3, 28. Okay. Second sub question, explain using algebra why the difference is always 28. Here let x be the first number, then next consecutive numbers are x plus 1 and x plus 2. Okay. In the second row, add 7 all the numbers in the first row. So second row is x plus 7. Next number is x plus 8, x plus 9. Okay. In the third row, add 7 all the numbers in the second row. So here x plus 14. Next number x plus 15. Next number x plus 16. Here diagonal numbers are x, x plus 2, x plus 16, x plus 14. Okay. Its product, diagonal numbers product. Here x into x plus 16. This is equal to x into x plus x into 16. X into x plus x into 16. X into x, x square plus x into 16, 16x. Clear? Next diagonal numbers are x plus 2 into x plus 14. This is equal to x into x plus x into 14 plus 2 into x plus 2 into 14. This is equal to x into x square plus x into 14, 14x plus 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 14, 28. This is equal to x square plus 14x plus 2x, 16x plus 28. Okay, then their difference is equal to x square plus 16x plus 28 minus x square plus 60x. This is equal to x square plus 16x plus 28, open the bracket, minus into x square minus x square minus into plus minus 16x. Okay, x square plus x square, these two terms sum is 0, plus 16x minus 16x, again these two terms sum is 0 plus 28, this is equal to 28. Here the difference is always 28. Is it clear, children? By this the chapter ends. So children, study seriously this chapter because this is important one. If you have any doubt, you can call me. I will give one homework question, page number 94, question number 2. That's all for today. Thank you.